Okay, so divide polynomials using long division and synthetic division. So our example says factor 6x cubed minus 25x squared plus 18x plus 9. And this is completely using long division. And that is if x minus 3 is a factor. So we need to divide by x minus 3. And we want to check that it is a factor. So just writing down the question. And I'm going to separate this area here for our workings. So the first thing I need to do is 6x cubed divided by x. So this is going to be 6x squared. So I'm going to write this 6x squared. And now we need to multiply. So 6x squared multiplied by x is 6x cubed. So this is going to be 6x cubed. And I'm going to be subtracting. And then we need to do 6x squared multiplied by minus 3. So this is minus 18x squared. So I have my terms and I need to subtract. So this will be minus and a minus, that's positive. So minus 25 plus 18. So that's going to be minus 7x squared. And I'm going to bring down the 18x. So now I repeat. So I've got minus 7x squared and I divide by x. So this is going to be minus 7x. So minus 7x multiplied by x is minus 7x squared. And then minus 7x multiplied by minus 3 is plus 21x. So I can write this down, minus 7x squared and plus 21x. And we're going to subtract. So when these become positive, so this is going to be 0. So this is 18 minus 21. So it's going to be minus 3x. So I'm going to bring down the plus 9. So we're going to repeat. So you have minus 3x divided by x. So the answer is minus 3. And then we're going to multiply the terms by minus 3. So minus 3 times x is minus 3x. And minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 is plus 9. So this is going to be a remainder of 0. So a remainder of 0 or no remainder, which means that x minus 3 is a factor. So we need to factor fully. So our term is 6x, this is our quotient. So we need to factor. So we've already got x minus 3. So 6 multiplied. So 6 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 18. So we're looking for factors of minus 18 that will add to give minus 7. So this is going to be minus 9 and plus 2. So now we need to write out, because it's got a coefficient, we're going to write our factors. 6x squared minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. And we're going to factor by 3x. So 2x minus 3. And then we'll factor with 1. So 2x minus 3. And we'll combine the terms. So 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 3. So x minus 3 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 3 are factors of 6x cubed minus 25x squared plus 18x plus 9. So the zeros, so if you look at the zeros, the function, so we've got x minus 3 is 0, 3x plus 1 is 0, and 2x minus 3 is 0. So x is equal to 3, x is equal to minus a third, and x is equal to 3 over 2, which is 1.5. So if we put our function into Desmos, and then we can see that we have our zeros. So at minus a third, so we have minus 1. At 1.5, and also at 3. So a guided practice question for you to try. Okay, so 1a. So the first thing we're going to do is x to the power 3 divided by x is x squared. And then if we multiply the terms back, x squared multiplied by x is x cubed. And x squared multiplied by x is 6x squared. And this is a minus. So we're going to subtract. So we've got plus x squared. We're going to bring down the 4x. And now we're going to repeat. So x squared divided by x is just x. So it's plus x. And we're going to multiply. So x times x is x squared. And then x multiplied by 6 is 6x. This is a minus. So when this is a minus, it's 0. And 4 minus 6 is minus 2x. And now we're going to bring down the minus 12. And we'll repeat. So minus 2x divided by x is minus 2. And multiply. So we have minus 2 times x is minus 2x. And minus 2 times plus 6 is minus 12. And this is minus. So this becomes positive. So this is 0 and this is 0. So there is no remainder. So x plus 6 is a factor. So now we need to factor further. So we've got x squared plus x minus 2. And we had x plus 6. So we have minus 2. So factors are minus 2. The one add together give us plus 1. So that's going to be plus 2 and minus 1. So we have x plus 2 and x minus 1. So we're going to make this equal to 0. So x plus 6 is 0. So x is minus 6. X plus 2 is 0. So x is minus 2. And x minus 1 is 0. So x is equal to 1. And we're just going to check in Desmos. So putting the function into Desmos and plotting the points, we can confirm that the roots or the zeros are at minus 6, minus 2, and 1. Okay, so the second question for you to try, 1b. So we need to factor using long division and the factor of 2x minus 4. So 2x minus 4, 6x cubed minus 2x squared minus 16x minus 8. So the first thing we need to do is 6x cubed divided by 2x. So 2 into 6 3 times, and x, this will be 3x squared. So 3x squared, and then we're going to multiply it back. So this will be 6x cubed. And then 3x squared multiplied by minus 4 is minus 12x squared. And now we can subtract. So this is 0, this becomes positive, so it's going to be positive 10x squared. And we're going to bring down the minus 16x. So we're going to repeat. So we'll have 10x squared divided by 2x. So this becomes 5x. So it's plus 5x, and we multiply. So 5x times 2x is 10x squared. And then 5x multiplied by minus 4 is minus 20x. Now we're subtracting, so this becomes 0 and this becomes positive 20 minus 16 is positive 4x. And we bring down the minus 8. So 4x divided by 2x is plus 2. And we multiply back. So 2 times 2x is 4x. And 2 times minus 4 is minus 8. And this is minus. So when we subtract, the answer will be 0. So no remainder. So 2x minus 4 is a factor. So now we need to factor fully. So we've got 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. And we have the 2x minus 4 that we just found. So we need to factor these terms. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So we're looking for factors of 6 with a difference of 5. So this will be 3 and 2. So this is going to be all positive. So 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 and 2 is 5. So we need to rewrite because it's a coefficient. So 3x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 2. And then we're going to factor. So 3x will leave us with x plus 1. And if you factor with 2, this will leave us with x plus 1. Combining the terms. So we'll have 3x plus 2. And then we'll have x plus 1. So now we have factored, these are the factors. So these are the factors of our function. So now to find the zeros. So 2x minus 4 is 0. 3x plus 2 is 0. And x plus 1 is 0. So 2x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 2. So 3x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2/3. And x is equal to minus 1. Okay, so putting our function into Desmos. And we can see our roots are at minus 1, minus 2/3, and 2. So we know our solution is correct.